Rationale for ERP implementation. When firms introduced extensive computing to control and monitor operations and financial in the early 1970s, much of the development was completed piecemeal. Consistency. Many firms developed legacy systems that meet their own specific requirements and processes. Economies of scale. As firms merged and expanded globally, management made increasing demands to take advantage of global scale economics through resources rationalization. Integration. The final ERP benefit is enhanced systems integration, both within the firm and enterprise and between suppliers and customer. ERP system design. The center of the system is the central database or information warehouse where all information is maintained to facilitate access to common and consistent data by all modules. The central database is the relational information repository for the entire ERP system. The central database is described as relational because it relates or links information regarding operational entities so that there is minimal information redundancy in the database. Example, if a customer address is contained in two different locations in the database, it is likely that eventually one reference will be changed if the customer moves, but the second reference will be forgotten. 8 major data files are critical to logistics operations. 1. Customer file. The customer file contains information describing the firm's customers. Each entry defines one customer, including name, address, billing information, ship location, company contact, price list, terms of sale, and special instructions. 2. Product file. The product file contains the information describing the products and services offered by the firm. Include product number, description, physical characteristics, purchase source or manufacturing location, reference to equivalent product or updates and standard cost data. 3. Supplier file. The supplier file lists the firm's suppliers for materials and services. Specific entries include supplier number, supplier name, address, transportation and receiving information, and payables instructions. 4. Order file. The order file contains the information regarding all open orders that are in some stage of processing or fulfillment by the firm. 5. Bill of materials file. The bill of materials file describes how raw materials are combined for finished products. 6. Purchase order file. The purchase order (PO) file is roughly comparable to the order file except that it contains the records of purchase orders that have been placed on suppliers. 7. Inventory file. The inventory file records the physical inventory or quantity of product that the firm has available or may be available in the future based on current production schedules. 8. History file. The history file documents the firm's order and purchase order history to facilitate management reporting, budget and decision analysis, and forecasting. Supply chain applications. The ERP supply chain applications include the modules labeled inventory and supply applications, manufacturing applications, and sales and delivery applications. Financial applications. The financial module incorporates the transactions necessary to maintain the firm's financial and accounting records. The service module supports post-sales product service and warranty support. Customers of expensive capital equipment such as manufacturing, medical, communication, or transportation equipment. Common ERP systems as in manufacturing, the software industry, particularly for ERP software, a comprehensive evaluation of alternative ERP systems. Supply chain system design. The supply chain information system is the backbone of modern logistics operations. Challenge of implementing an ERP system. Enterprise systems seem to be a dream come true. These commercial software packages promise then seamless integration of all information.
Planning, coordination components, the information system foundation for manufacturers and merchandisers. Strategic objectives, primary information drivers for many enterprises. Strategic objectives that define marketing and financial goals. Capacity constraints, logistics and manufacturing capacity limitations are imposed by internal and external manufacturing, warehousing and transportation resource constraints. Logistics requirements. Logistics requirements include time-phased facility, equipment, labor and inventory. Manufacturing requirements schedule production resources and attempt to resolve day-to-day capacity bottlenecks within the materials management system. Procurement requirements schedule material purchase order releases, shipments and receipts. Planning, coordination, integration component can and frequently has operated independently. Such independence often leads to inconsistencies. Coordination and integration facilitate smooth and consistent customer replenishment order information flow throughout the enterprise and offer current order status visibility. Distribution operations incorporate processes to guide distribution center physical activities including product receipt, material movement and storage and order selection. Transportation and shipping. Transportation management systems TMS plan, execute, and manage transport and movement functions. Procurement manages PO preparation, modification, and release as well as tracks vendor performance and compliance. Inventory deployment and management serve as the primary interface between planning, coordination and operations by planning requirements and managing finished inventory. Enterprise Execution System (ERP) systems are substantially enhancing process and information consistency and integration of supply chain operations. Custom Relationship Management (CRM) is designed to extend the functionality of ERP sales and delivery applications. Transportation Management System (TMS) must proactively identify and evaluate alternative transportation strategies and tactics to determine the best methods to move product within the existing constraints. Warehouse Management System. Historical warehouse system functionality focused on receiving replenishment shipments, stock put away, and order picking. Software drives down transportation cost. Meldisco is the lone supplier of shoes to Kmart stores worldwide. It acquired transportation management software in an effort to overhaul its supply chain management process to more effectively distribute product to stores. Method for supply chain management. The company objective was to process one order, one shipment, and one invoice within 24 hours and have the product manufactured and arrive at the customer's location within 5 days.
Oh, she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming, I'm on my mind. Oh, she's hot but a psycho, so left but she's right though. At night she's screaming, I'm on my mind. She'll make you curse.